After this, we are going to have the Health Committee of the National Assembly. After this, we'll have the Health Committee of the National. Please, all behind me. Nurses, you're coming. Done. Health Committee of the National Assembly, please. Okay, nurses. Health Committee of the National Assembly, if you can kindly just stand by here. This Health Committee National Assembly. All right, Health Committee National Assembly. And the final picture will be the medical students. Oh, CHPs. Students, then the CHPs. Medical students, if you can come this way, please. Followed by CHPs. Students, kindly join in. Medical students. Anthem will have the CHPs. Behind me so that they are not in the picture. Badu. We did send it out. CHPs? We did. Hey. Let me also just have the development partners. There may have been an oversight there. Development partners. Development partners, kindly join in. We'll have the CHPs retreat. Development partners, kindly join in. I think we are covered now, Cindy. Huh? That's the last one. Development partners. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. That's the end of the photo session. We'll now request that we all be upstanding as we wind up with the national anthem. I think there's a request for another picture. Ministry, MOH staff, Ministry of Health staff, MOH staff, Waziri amewalilia sana. She needs an office to go back to. Kwa hivyo anaona asipowalilia hata rudi ofisini. Karibuni sana. Or we climb pale hapa. Sir, we climb onto this stage. All right, thank you, Excellency. We will now have the national anthem, so I request that we all proceed back to our chairs so that we may finish with the national anthem as we come to a close of this particular ceremony. So we will now have all of us just retreat to our sitting positions. Let us all be upstanding for the national anthem. We'll allow His Excellency to retreat at his own pleasure. Thank you.